health department, right? Okay. Then how long have you been working in there? Okay. Are you born and brought up in Delhi or are you from different state within India? Okay. Which state do you belong to? Okay. You are from Himachal, but you are working in Delhi, right? Okay. So nice. Then when will you go your state, Himachal? Okay. Do you like that profession or do you wanna profession in future? Okay, you like that profession because you want to provide your service, right? Yeah, because who work health department, we always think they are equal to God, right? Because they provide their service freely and they can without condition. No, 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 no. Then you tell me, do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you want to interact with just language learner? Okay, I got to know you want to interact with also language learner and you want to enhance your also English speaking, right? Okay, do you anyone in English at office? Do you talk with anyone or do you talk with your colleagues in English? Yeah, because we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English. That's why we people depend in this type of platform to interact with language learner, right? Because if we talk with anyone 5 to 10 minutes per day, then we may not lose our fluency and confidence simultaneously. If we don't talk with anyone 10 to 5 minutes in English with anyone, then we may lose our fluency and confidence. That's why language depends only practice, right? Yeah, sometime I use. Yesterday I didn't get time. That's why I didn't use this platform. And today I get time. That's why right now I am practicing with language learner and I talk with them. Otherwise, I try to connect with any language learner. It is a better for me because this quite atmosphere to interact with anyone in English. Right. I think you are working and you don't have time, right? Mm. Yeah, it is a good thanks for telling about that kind of thanks for your advice. But I thought if you get free time, that's when maybe I will be busy. Or if I get free time, that's when you will be busy. Then we cannot connect, right? Mhm. Yeah, you are right. Whatever you are telling, I got your point. That's why I told you because when you get free time, that's when maybe I busy, right? If you are free, then that's when I will be busy. Then how we connect each other? Okay, you tell me this time I will free. Oh, it's okay. That is a good. Okay, you inform me. But that's when I don't have time. Then how we connect each other? Tell me that. cannot tell in, I don't have specific time. I don't have precise time to tell you this time I will be free. I cannot tell that kind of. How can I tell that time is because if I get any kind of. Mhm. Mhm. I got your point, but if I never means see WhatsApp or if I never reply after 2 3 days, then you get frustrated, right? You always tell, "Okay, that person tell me," and means sometimes I forget everything, and my friend also complain me. Sometimes I get call, but I thought, okay, let's see, I will talk in another time, but sometimes I forget. Then they always blame me because I call you, you didn't receive my call, and you never respond me. You always ignore me. This kind of I always think. Then I think it is better. Sometimes I don't want to miss disappointed you because if I tell you we practice together, and if I don't get time, then it is not work. And I'm so lazy person. I cannot give you warranty to practice with you. That's why if I get time, then I come in this type of platform and talk with them. I never miss, I never miss let them wait. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me one thing. I have a one question for you. Okay, tell me, if you practice one person regularly daily, then uh, you don't feel bored. Mhm. Right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I got your yeah. I got your point. You are not telling about any person. You wanted to tell me we take different type of topic to discuss it. It's okay. Sometimes people they think because if I talk that person, maybe I lose my this kind of accent, right? People they think this kind of because I have a MTI mother tongue influence in my English. I'm not a fluent speaker. I'm not a good speaker. If you practice with me, then definitely you maybe lose your fluency. Maybe. Yeah. People that. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, I got your point because I got your point. Whatever you are telling me, that is a good for me also because I am also language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. You also want to enhance your English speaking, and we have a miss like-minded practice, right? But sometimes what happened because I cannot give you warranty to practice regularly. That is a hectic for me because